so jumping straight into this one, all of these nails come pretty long, and so I decided to cut this set down a little bit shorter. So I took some length off, and then I just filed the free edge down to size. And on my first fingers, you can see that my finger, like, it has that little curve to it. It does that regardless of whether or not I push the cuticle back. It always curves like that. So I wanted to customize these, so I went ahead and customized the tips around the cuticle area so that they look more, more natural. So I've got them all filed down and customized, and then I put them on my little nail stands. And now I'm gonna go ahead, and for these I'm laying acrylic. The acrylic that I'm using is from Valentino Beauty Pure and it is in the shade 11, which is this darker nude color. And I'm taking some Mia Secret monomer, and I'm basically just going to lay a thin layer of acrylic on these nails. I didn't have the nude color that I wanted, but I knew that I had the color in acrylic, so I went ahead and used acrylic for this, and I need acrylic practice anyway. So this is a good way for me to, practice working with acrylic and stuff like that. So I just laid a thin layer on all of the nails, trying to just perfect the way I lay my acrylic and everything like that. And then after all the acrylic is laid, I get into the real simple painting. So after the acrylic is laid and before I get into painting, obviously I want to file these down to get rid of, any of the misshapen areas, the lumps and stuff like that, and just get kind of a smooth surface. So I filed these down, and then I went ahead and buffed them as well. And I also needed to perfect, my free edge and everything like that. So filing and then buffing, and then throwing on that white paint for that cute design. Now what I did was I took some of the white paint, and this is a pure white. So I took this paint, I put it on my thumb, and then I basically just ran the nail across my thumb to get a thin white line. And then I did the same thing when I did the edges, and of course I was out of frame when I did that, but I basically did the same thing, and just kind of ran my thumb right along the nail to create, you know, that little style. I did clean it up a little bit because some of them were a lot thicker than I wanted, so I did do a little bit of cleanup with some acetone before I put these into the lamp. But once I got them all cleaned up and straight how I wanted them, I cured them, and then I threw on a top coat. I used the D&D top coat that I always use, and cured that. And then this set was pretty much done after that. Now, of course, these look a little not natural because I have the sticky tabs on, but if I was to glue these down, they would look a lot better. They just look raised and weird because I have the sticky tabs on underneath this. But yeah, I liked them. This next set that I did, I just wanted some really short French tips, something real cute and simple, you know, just kind of to wear. So I went ahead and using that same powder, went and practiced the acrylic some more. Now for this one, well, for this set, I did use the number 6, which is a little bit of a lighter nude, more of like a pinky type of nude. So this color is lighter than the last color that I used. So it's going to be a little more sheer, and I didn't mind that because I'm going to be pressing it up against my fingernail with glue. So it can be, you know, a little sheer. So I just did the light layer of this acrylic. And yeah, I really like this color, and I like that nude color too, but this one is a little more just like more natural pink. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. So to do the French tip, I'm just taking the inner part of a nail form, and I'm just using it like for the rounded portion. And I'm basically just taking this and holding it up against my nail and then painting my little French tip with it. Once that was done and I got all the little French tips painted, I went ahead again with the clear coat. Now, I did forget to file these and buff these. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But I think they're still okay. They weren't that bad. It was just a light layer, so they're a little bit lumpy in some places, but they're good. They good. See? Look at them. They good. Like I said, they're raised because I have on the little sticky tabs, but once I glue these down, we're gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoyed this set. Real cute, simple work sets. You know, real cute, simple. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.